Morning students. Today I will discuss about brain teasers, page 125 to 127. First five questions are MCQ. Question 1a, 3p square minus 14pq plus 2r common bracket closed minus common bracket 14pq plus 3p square plus 2r square. Now simplify it. It can be written as 3p square minus 14pq plus 2r minus 14pq minus 3p square minus 2r square. Now 3p square plus 3p square minus 3p square cancel. Now minus 14pq minus 14pq are like terms, so add it. You will get minus 28pq plus 2r minus 2r square. So in this algebraic expression has three terms, so it is trinomial. So your answer is 3, trinomial. Question number B, HCF of the algebraic expressions, given algebraic expression. Here three terms and common numerical common factors is 4. 4 1 j 4, 4 3 j 12, 4 4 j 16, and the minimum power of p is p, and minimum power of q is q square, and minimum power of r is only r. So HCF of the given terms is 4pq square r. So your answer is 1, correct. Now question number C, for what value of t the expression 2x square minus 5x plus 10 and 2x square minus tx plus 2t are equal. So here 2x square minus 5x plus 10 can be written as is equal to 2x square minus tx plus 2t. Now 2x square minus 2x square cancel. So here minus 5 common, x minus 2 in left hand side equal to, here t common minus t common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 equal to x minus 2. So minus 5 equal to minus t, therefore t equal to 5. Second. Question number D, value of p in the expression z square plus 3z minus p equal to 3. So z square plus 3z minus p equal to 3. So value of z equal to 2. So in place of z you can write 2. So z square equal to 2 square plus 3z equal to 3 multiply 2 minus p equal to 3. 2 square equal to 4, 3 2 j 6 minus minus p equal to minus 3 equal to p. Now 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 3, 7, therefore p equal to 7. So answer is 3. 2x square, factors of 2x square plus 5x minus 6x square minus 15r. So the common factors of first term and second term is x. X common, so 2, it can be written as 2x square plus 5. Common in third and fourth terms is minus 3. So minus 3 is common. It can be written as 2x square plus 5. So it is equal to x minus 3 into 2x square plus 5. So your answer is 3. Now question B. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle with length p square q minus 5 and breadth q square plus 4b. Find the area of the shaded triangle PAB. The area of a shaded triangle PAB equal to half into area of rectangle ABCD equal to 1 by 2 into length into breadth, that is base into height. So is equal to 1 by 2 into p square q minus 5 common bracket q square plus 4p, and length into breadth. Length is given that p square q minus 5 and breadth is given that q square plus 4p square. Now multiply it, you will get 1 by 2 common bracket p square q cube plus 4p cube q minus 5q square minus 5 to 4j 20p square units. Similarly, question number BB. By how much does the expression 72z square minus 45z plus 4 exceeds the expression 30z minus 42z square minus 17? The required expression is equal to 72z square minus 45z plus 4 minus 42z square plus 30z minus 17. Subtract it, you will get 114z square minus 75z plus 21. Therefore, the required expression is equal to 114z square minus 75z plus 21. Now, question C. The perimeter of a triangle is given. One of the sides of the length is x square y minus 4 units and another side is 3 minus 2x square unit. Find the length of the third side. So the length of the third side of a triangle equal to perimeter of a triangle minus sum of two sides of a triangle. So perimeter of a triangle can be written as x square y plus 10 minus sum of two sides, that is x square y minus 4 plus 3 minus 2x square y. It can be written as x square y plus 10 minus x square y plus x square y minus 2x square y is equal to minus x square y uh, plus 3 minus 4. It can be written as minus 1. Now x square y plus 10 minus minus plus x square y minus minus plus 1 x square y plus x square y like term. So it can be written as 2x square y plus 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So your answer is 2x square y plus 11 units. Find the question number 2. Find the product of 13 13ax minus 4 multiply 5ay plus 1. Find the product of binomial by binomial. You will get the 13ax common bracket 5ay plus 1 minus 4 common bracket 5ay plus 1. 13 5 j 65 a square xy plus 13ax minus 4 5 j 20 ay minus plus minus 4. Your answer. Similarly, you can do question number 4 also. Take 4 10. Now question number 4. Uh, Question number 4. Express 5x raised to the power 6 multiply 12x square y multiply 3 by 20 xy square as a monomial, and then evaluate it for x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Mm, Now, first of all, find the product of the monomials. You will get, first of all, find the product of numerical coefficients. So 5 multiply 12 multiply 3 by 20. Now x raised to the power 6 multiply x square multiply x common bracket y multiply y square. You will get after calculating 3 3 j 9 or x raised to the power 9 and y raised to the power 3. Now find the value of, you have given that the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So put the substitute these values. Equal to 9 multiply 1 raised to the power 9 multiply 2 raised to the power 3 equal to 1 raised to the power 9, that is 1, 2 raised to the 2 cube equal to 8. So 9 8 is 72. Question number 5. 1.5 a square common bracket 10 ab minus 4 b square equal to 1.5 a square multiply 10 ab minus 1.5 a square multiply 4 b square equal to 15 1.5 multiply 10, that is 15 a cube b minus 1.5 multiply 4 equal to 6 a square b square. Now substitute the value of a and b. The value of a is minus 2 and value of b is 3. So it can be written as 15 common bracket minus 2 whole cube multiply 3 minus 6 minus 2 whole square multiply 3 square. Now calculate is 15 multiply minus 8 multiply 3 minus 6 multiply 4 multiply 3 square 9. 15 8 is a 120 multiply 3 minus 360 multiply 6 multiply 4 multiply 9 you will get minus 216 add it equal to minus 576. Similarly, you can do question number 6, 5. 6 का 5 m square plus mn plus n square multiply m into n. First of all, find the product of monomial by binomial by trinomial. You will get it can be written as m common bracket m square plus mn plus n square minus n common bracket m square plus mn plus n square. Uh, m cube plus m square n plus m n square minus m square n minus m n square minus n cube plus m square n or minus m square n cancel 0 plus m n square minus m n square equal to 0. You will get m cube minus n cube. Now LHS equal to uh, the value of m equal to 4 and n equal to 3. Put the value of m equal to 4 and n equal to 3. LHS equal to 4 square plus 4 into 3 plus 3 square multiply 4 minus 3. So 4 square equal to 16, 4 into 3 12, 3 square equal to 9. Multiply 4 minus 3 1. So 16 plus 12 plus 9 you will get 37 multiply 1 equal to 30. S equal to m cube minus n cube. In place of m write 4 and in place of n write 3. So it can be written as 4 cube minus 3 cube. 4 cube equal to 64 and 3 cube equal to 27. 64 minus 27 equal to 37. Therefore LHS equal to RHS verified. Now question 7. Simplify. 3x square common bracket 3x square plus 2 minus x common bracket x minus 2x y square plus y into 2x square y minus 2y. Now it can be written as 3 3 j 9 x square y square plus 3 2 j 6 x square minus x square minus minus plus 2x square y square plus 2x square y square plus minus minus 2y square. Now x square y square 9x square y square 2x square y square plus 2x square y square are like terms. Add it. The 9 plus 2 plus 2 that is 13x square y square plus 6x square minus x square equal to plus 5x square minus 2y square. Similarly, you can simplify question number 7 too. Now question number 8. Find the HCF of the terms in the expression. The HCF of the expression 3a square b a square b square plus 6a b square c square plus 12a square b square c square is HCF of the numerical coefficient 3 6 12 is 3 and minimum power of a is only a and minimum power of b is b square. So the required HCF is 3ab square. Question number 9. Factorize ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. Here common factors of first term and second term is b. So write it can be written as b common bracket ab minus c square. Common factors of third term and fourth term is minus 1. So it can be written as minus 1 common bracket ab minus c square. It can be written as ab minus c square multiply b minus 1. Similarly, you can do question number 9 too. Now, enrichment questions. How can find the sum of the natural numbers? Sum of n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first 5 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, will be written as 5 multiply 5 plus 1, that is 6. So it can be written as 5 multiply 6 by 2. 2 1 j 2, 2 3 j 6. So 5 3 j 15. Sum of first 5 sum of first 5 natural numbers equal to 50. Now find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus 19 plus 20. Find the sum of first 20 natural numbers equal to 20 multiply 20 plus 1 by 2. It can be written as 20 multiply 21 by 2. 20 divided by 2, the quotient is 10. So the product of 10 and 21 equal to 210. Now find the sum of 11 plus 12 plus dot dot plus 30. How can find it? So right, it can be written as it can you can write it. First of all, common bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus 30 minus, now common bracket 1 plus 2 plus dot dot plus 10. One sum of 1 plus 30 equal to 30 multiply 31 by 2. Uh, 30 divided by 2 equal to 15. 15 multiply 31 equal to 465. Similarly, 10 multiply 11 by 2. 10 divided by 2 you will get 5. 11 5 is 55. 465 minus 55 equal to 410. Thank you. Have a nice day.